Hello traders, this is Dr. Zain Agha from zwinner.com. Today I'm going to give you a very simple system which anyone can trade and make money, and it doesn't require you to sit all day long computer screen. Just trade in the morning at 9 a.m. London time. Our breakout strategy, and it is the candlesticks between London Open at 8 o'clock and 9 o'clock. So this is how we will set our chart. This is the British pound against the US dollar 15 minutes chart. So you need 15 minutes chart. And then you need these vertical lines. Now the vertical line I need is the start is about 8 o'clock we're going to start, but because my broker is 2 hours ahead, so I'm going to put the time here as 10 a.m. and give it yellow color and say OK. There it is, you see 10 a.m. Now I need one more vertical line, so after 1 hour, so it's going to be 11. That will be 9 a.m. London time. So there you are. These are the two candles. Now what we are going to do, we are going to take the breakout of these two candles, whichever comes first. So we're going to put a line here, and then we're going to put another line here as the low, right? But if we can't continue with all the charts and every day, so for this I have a very good indicator which I made for my Z20 advanced breakout system. I'm going to give it to you for free. Now this indicator is called the Asian breakout. So here it is, Asian breakout. So in the inputs, what you need to period begin has to be 10 o'clock, right? And then the period end has to be 11, and the box end has to be 11 again. And the breakout offset, we want about 2 pips above and 2 pips below for our entry. So this is, sorry, this should be 20 because it's a 7-digit broker. And the color, we're going to change it to blue so that it's nicely visible. And the green one is the offset, 2 pips up and 2 pips down, above and 2 pips below. There it is, see, there it is. So this is going to be your this is the high with the 2 pips, and this is the low. Okay, now this is how we will set up our chart. Now to find the direction, we need also the RSI. So I'm going to plot the RSI here, and the input is 14 colors, blue levels. I have to add one more level, which is level 50, and I'll give it the color yellow and say OK. You see the RSI is here now. Now this is what you have set up your chart. Now you're going to save the chart as a template. I've already saved it, but even then I will show you. Go to template, go to save template, and then name it as the 1 hour. Yeah, there it is, 1 hour breakout. That's the name I've given it. Okay, so save it as a template so that you can apply it to other pairs as well. Now let's have a look what happens. So you get up about 8:30 in the morning or 8 o'clock, but just about at least 10 or 15 minutes before 9 a.m. London time, you will get this box. As soon as this box is visible, look below. Where is the RSI going? The RSI was going up, right? But it did not go up thoroughly, and it started coming back. The market did not go up. So then if you move your on the next candle, like let's have a look at the other candle. Now if you look at the other candle, you will see the market is coming down, the RSI is coming down. That means you need to place, if you sell here, and put your stop loss here on top, and then check what is your risk. How much are you risking? You're risking about 37 pips. So your take profit should also be 37 pips, which you are going to get on this candle. Okay, so you make your 37 pips profit. Then you go to the next one, and the next day again, let me bring those lines down here. And the next day you go here, the low, and here's the high. You look below, the RSI has just turned down. It's turned around and now it's going down. Since it's going down, we know we want to sell. So you're going to put your pending sell order here and your stop loss there. So what are you risking? You are risking about 27 pips. So you get your 26 pips here. Okay, now let's go to the next day. Here again I will bring those two lines down. Now here also you see that's the high, this is the low. Put your look down here, your is pointing down, the RSI is pointing down, so that means you need to put a pending sell order here and the stop loss here. So when you put this pending sell order here, stop loss there, you're risking 32 pips, 33 pips, and you get your 33 pips here. Okay, let's go to the next day. Now this is something tricky. Go here and put your line here, put the other one line here, and look below. What is saying? The market is going up. So you're going to place your pending buy order here and stop loss here. So what are you risking? You're risking 31 pips or 30 pips, and you're looking for 30 pips profit up here. So the market doesn't go that far. The market comes back down and it hits your stop loss. So you lose 30 pips. Go to the next day, and here again, let me bring those lines down. This is the high, this is the low. So look here, the RSI is just about to slope down. It is at the moment, it's making a point, it's going up, but it's not sloping down. So we will wait to see. And if you wait, the next candle opens and goes down and it starts sloping down. So you place a pending sell order here, and then you go up to look how much it is. You're risking 47 pips. You're looking for 47 pips profit. Okay, so this candle goes as low as 54 pips. So you get your 47 pips up here. Okay, now let's go to the next day. Next day we look here. Here we have here you will see at the last candle in the box, the RSI is sloping up, so you're going to buy here, put a pending buy order, which this candle fills it in, and the stop loss here. Now let's see how much you're risking. You're risking 36 pips. Let's see, do you get 36 pip profit? Yes, you get it on this candle, 36. It goes as high as 45 pips, so you get it here. Then you come here, and then now here you have the high here and the low here, and if you look at the last candle, and the slope is up, so you're going to buy here, place stop loss here, and see how much you're risking. You're risking about 54 pips, and your take profit 54 pips. It doesn't go that high, comes back down, and you get stopped out here, so you lose 54 pips. And then you continue the next day. Again, the next day, here is the high, and here is the low. And you look at the last candle. Where is the RSI going? RSI is going up, so you buy here, you place a pending order to buy here, and you put your stop loss here. So what are you risking? You're risking 28 pips, so you get your profit of 28 pips here on this candle, okay? So this is how you trade the 1 hour breakout system. Now let's go to the Euro USD pair. Okay, this is the Euro USD pair, and if you bring the horizontal lines here, and we place at the high and the low, and look at the last candle, the slope is up, RSI is up, so we're going to buy. We're going to put a buy pending order here, so this candle, and a stop loss here. This candle comes up and fills in your order, and now we are looking for, we are risking 17 pips, so we are looking for 17 pips take profit, which we are going to get on this candle. Let's go to the next one. Here is the next one, and we put a line here, put a line here, and see this RSI going up, so we're going to put a pending order here. So we buy here, take stop loss here. Let's have a look how much. 22 pips, so we make 22 pips on this candle. Okay, this is how to trade the 1 hour breakout strategy. The 1 hour breakout strategy, you should trade it every morning at 9 o'clock. Besides the GBP USD, you can trade other pairs as well, Euro USD and other pairs, and trade for a month, for about, on a demo account, for at least 6 weeks, 4 weeks or 6 weeks. And then in the comments box below, please write down how did you go? Do you like it? Did it make money or not? I will be grateful if you write down your comments. And also please subscribe to my channel, so that whenever I bring in any new strategies, you will be the first one to be notified by YouTube. Okay, thank you. I wish all the best and have a great time. Bye-bye.